Hello everyone, today we are discuss why one country's business laws different from another country. There are many reasons why one country business laws may different from another country, including cultural and historical factors. The legal system of many countries are based on their culture and historical tradition. For example, the common law legal system in the United Kingdom and the United States is based on centuries of legal precedent. While the civil law system in France is based on the Napoleonic Code. Political and economic factors. The political and economic condition of a country can also affect its business laws. For example, countries and more socialist or communist ideologies may have laws that are more focused on protecting workers and regulating business practices. In contrast, countries with more capitalist ideology may have laws that are more focused on promoting economic growth and entrepreneurial activity. Geographical and environmental factor. The geography and environment of a country can also impact its business law. For example, countries with large coastline may have laws that regulate maritime trade, while countries with large agriculture sectors may have laws that regulate farming and agriculture trade. International treaties and agreement. Many countries are signatories to international treaties and agreements that affect their business laws. For example, the World Trade Organization sets rules for international trade, and countries that are members of the World Trade Organization must abide by its rule. Overall, there are many factors that can influence a country business law, and these laws can vary significantly from country to country. Thank you.